How's everybody doing today? Here we have a 2020 Ford Explorer. Got the 4-cylinder turbo in it. This cover here is what I was wanting to talk about. And is it going to zoom? There we go. K2GZ-6019B 1X. It's just called a cover. But this is it here. A little cover that extends the head out on the intake cam, and the valve cover bolts to it there. It's got 3 little bolts. This first one I've ever did. I did timing chains and valve cover on this one, and then I was trying to figure out how to get this done. I couldn't find any information. It was very tight back in there. But what I did was removed the EGR tube right there. Now it says that tube only pays 0.6. That's no way, possible that I know of to do that. But the EGR is like 4 point something. And it says to remove the EGR when you do this, when you do the tube. I couldn't even find no directions for the actual cover piece. But so on that side of the EGR tube, you got a 8mm coming in from that way. Over here by the knuckle, you got 2 10mm right there. That side of the tube right there. Got these ones right here. And then you got the 3 8mm coming in the back of that cover. So, I mean, I don't think you could even do this with the valve cover on. I don't know. But I just couldn't find anybody talking about it. So I just wanted to show the part number. Like I said, it's just called cover. But it's like a head extension that goes behind the cam there for the high pressure fuel pump. And then you got 1 bolt that comes in right here. Right there. And I believe that was a 10 also. And then you got 1 more 10 that comes in over here, right below this sensor, right below the EGR pressure sensor. It's kind of hard to get to. You can get one hand back in here and almost touch it to kind of help hold the socket on. So, all right. If anybody knows any other tricks, let me know.